Hey there, fellow parents and caregivers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting adventure into the world of baby milestones, specifically teaching your little one to roll over. Did you know that rolling isn't just a cute trick? It's a key step in their physical development that unlocks new horizons. So, what will you learn in this video? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of when most babies learn the skill to roll from their back to their tummy. You will also be equipped with 4 invaluable techniques that not only encourage rolling, but also contribute to your baby's overall development. We'll explore assisting them through the process, using toys to inspire their movements, the importance of tummy time, and how to foster play on their back and side. So, let's get ready to empower your little one on their roll to success. Before I'm moving on, I would be really happy if you hit that subscribe button. This way, you will never miss out on new videos I post, and it also motivates me to continue producing content like this. Also, check out my website linked in the description below. Now, let's dive into when babies learn to roll. Babies typically start experimenting with rolling between 4 to 6 months. This is a remarkable stage where their muscles, balance, and coordination align to help them master this skill. Babies at this age become more curious about their environment, and they start to understand cause and effect, such as realizing that moving their limbs can lead to changes in their position. This newfound curiosity encourages them to experiment with movement, including rolling. So, what can you do to help your baby while learning this skill? My first tip involves gentle assistance. Placing your baby on their back, you can guide them through a rolling motion by lifting one of their legs. This helps them understand the movement and builds their muscle memory. Gradually, they'll take the lead as they grow more confident. Assisting your baby to roll helps them grasp the concept of the movement. It aids in developing their awareness of body orientation and lays the foundation for them to initiate rolling independently. Tip number 2 is all about incorporating play to inspire rolling. Introduce a captivating toy just out of reach to intrigue your baby. This motivates them to try rolling over to reach their prize. Using toys as a motivator stimulates your baby's curiosity and desire to explore their surroundings. It fosters their understanding that movement can lead to new discoveries. My third tip emphasizes the magic of tummy time. Placing your baby on their tummy not only promotes head and neck control, but also enhances their core strength. Essential components for successful rolling. Tummy time is a cornerstone exercise that helps build the muscles required for rolling. It strengthens their neck, back, and core, providing the necessary stability for mastering this skill. Last but not least, tip number 4 encourages play through a baby gym. The hanging toys capture your baby's attention, encouraging them to interact while on their back and side. A baby gym promotes playful exploration in various positions. Engaging with hanging toys encourages reaching, swiping, and turning, all movements that contribute to the development of rolling skills. There you have it, 4 expert tips to guide your baby toward the marvelous milestone of rolling over. Remember, each baby's journey is unique, so celebrate every progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more insightful parenting guidance. Until next time, enjoy those precious rolling moments.